Scene. A whiteboard with Boolean algebra basics written on it, narrator, voiceover, in our quest to unravel the secrets of Boolean algebra. Let's begin at the very beginning, understanding what Boolean algebra is. Affix. A definition of Boolean algebra appears on screen, narrator, voiceover. At its core, Boolean algebra is a mathematical system that deals with binary variables where values can be only one of two possibilities, 0 or 1.
Narrator, voiceover. Now let's dive into the fundamental operations of Boolean algebra that manipulate these binary values. Narrator, voiceover. The three basic Boolean operations are and, or, and not. Narrator, voiceover. So, to recap, Boolean algebra is all about manipulating binary values, 0 and 1, using operations like and, or, and not. These operations are the foundation of Boolean logic and play a crucial role in digital electronics, circuit design, and software development,